2023 Ram 2500. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include side view mirrors with turn signals, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, auxiliary input. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.